Hi, I'm Anu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making harissa. It's a chili paste made with dry red chilies, garlic and other spices. It can be used as a dip or in marinades. Let's get started. Let's start with harissa. Deseed 10 to 12 dry red chilies. Wear gloves if your hands are sensitive to chilies. And soak them in hot water for 1 to 2 hours. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon caraway seeds. Dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring to prevent them from burning. And finally grind them. In a food processor, add drained chilies, spices, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and start processing. While it's processing, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and blend to create the desired consistency. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. In a bowl, add the broccoli florets and some peppers. Drizzle some olive oil and around 1 tablespoon of harissa paste. Mix well to coat the vegetables. Now spread the vegetables in a single layer on the baking sheet. Place few slices of paneer. Drizzle some olive oil and generously spread the harissa paste. Flip them over and repeat. Now bake them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until done. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.